just get red watched. Yellow, we're back in Animal Company. And
Today, we are going to be duplicating some decently rare items. Emphasis on decently.
Yes. And
Today,
don't
we
mind
have...
the stuff on the floor.
Today, I know we've done this in the past like once, but we have another mini color changing backpack. Hopefully we actually get something. If we don't, I'm gonna rip the head off of whoever didn't put it in the game freaking files.
Rapid, you're moving the stuff.
I don't care. Next we have a pink MRE. And then we have a suitcase.
Yay. One of my favorites, actually.
And
Anyways.
another thing, just cause, I'm also gonna throw in one of these riot shields down here, cause kind of just abundant.
You have too many.
I don't want any of these.
And why'd you get them?
Because I have more. These are just like the extras.
Okay. Well, let's do this thing. You got your stuff?
Let me put this in here. It's probably for the best.
Big riot
Okay, let's
shield
go.
go into a small bag. Makes perfect sense. Can I... Sorry, I'm a little too heavy. Actually, I better this would most likely be that. Survive, rapid survive.
Ooh, should I blow this up?
In a safe area, yes.
I got
Good job, I'm proud of you.
Yeah, I was in a perfectly safe area. Because I was within your range.
Yeah. Alright. I will collect
I'll
the
go grab
trash.
trash, by the way.
Okay, then I'll go get
collect
ducks.
trash.
Wow.
Alright.
There you are, buddy. There we go. Pinata stick. Look at that, right off the bat. There you are, Jimmy.
Dino, my battery is cooked. I got 15%, bro.
We better hurry then.
Working on.
What the? Alright, what are we throwing in first?
Do the suitcase first. Do the suitcase first.
Alright, suitcase are going in. Suitcase are going in.
Key card going in.
Nothing to be expected.
Hold up. Yeah. You do your ducks first. Do your ducks. Looking good, looking good. Okay, it's full.
Alright, we're good. What are we throwing in next?
The MRE.
Okay.
This is probably most likely item to be successful.
Alright. We
Nope,
got nothing. This might be a very disappointing video. Alright, I need more ducks. So I shall be back. Shotgun. I'll take that. Are you dead? Oh, wait. Hi. What was that giant explosion?
Oh, nothing.
Alright, I'll take your word for it. I need a...
I was in the air. Dino, you threw me in the air.
That should not be possible.
That's what I was.
Okay. Let's go. Alright, you got 2 more key cards, right?
I got 1.
Oh. You need 2. Where am I going? Where am I going?
Why do we need 2?
Because aren't we duplicating a riot shield and the backpack?
Oh, we are still? Okay.
Not yet. Okay,
Good.
we're good. And do we get anything?
Hold up.
Nope, nothing. Alright, need a tiny more ducks. I will go get those ducks.
I'm gonna go get the trash.
Why is it so loud in here? You two really like to come together. Why are we getting so many workers? How I made a whole loop. How did I just get red watched? Rapid? What happened?
I died.
I got
died.
red watched.
I died.
And I got red watched for it. How did you die? How in the world did you die? Oh. How did you die though?
I didn't want to take as much time mining, so I decided to blow it all up and got killed in the process.
And that gave me red watch?
I guess so.
Okay.
You didn't throw the grenade.
Then how does it give me red watch?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person.
Yeah, I should be asking the grenade.
Okay, bro. Like, honestly.
Alright, ducks are good though.
Can I borrow your pickaxe?
Yeah, here you go. Why do you need it?
Because my pole takes forever to use.
I'm guessing you threw in your tiny bag.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see what it gives
Okay,
us.
I think we're good.
Okay, I got my pickaxe.
Ah.
I'll become Spider-Man. Where'd you even throw it?
That way.
Alright, let's get this over with then.
I
Racing
swear
against
if we
time.
do not have enough trash, I'm actually going to crash the ever-living flip out.
We have bags though, so That's what we can throw in if we don't have enough. Alright. Kind of halfway. Went down quite a bit. Went up a teensy bit. Went down a lot. Went up.
That's it. That's all I had.
I have hook shot. That did nothing. I have pickaxe. That did.
brought it down.
I have backpack. I have shotgun. I have a second hook shot.
Oh.
That's all I had.
Oh.
Careful, they like to be in pairs now. Ow. Come on with me.
Perfect.
Let's go. Nice to loot. And got absolutely nothing. I think this was
You
a bad
know it.
idea. I think this
Yeah,
was
let's
a
go back.
very bad idea. Rapid. Immediately breaks it. Ow. Ow. Why?
Yep. How
are
did
you-
you miss that?
Hold up, Dino. Can you revive me? I don't know if my shield's in the ground or not.
Oh, what? Yeah. Come here.
How did you miss the first one is my question.
I swear, I thought I hit you.
But I
Alright.
guess you didn't.
My game is quite laggy. Probably because of all the
My
suitcases.
game is quite cooked. Anyways, thank you for watching. We got absolutely freaking nothing. The only thing we came back with was my ride shield, my baton, and this grappler.
Yeah, it was a very bad idea.
See you later. Peace.
Goodbye.